The dust collection system. The dust collection system on the PrepMaster should be used anytime there is going to be dry grinding or polishing. To utilize the system, attach a 3-inch flexible hose to the 3-inch port at the top of the handle, just below the VSD. Ensure that the tan top shroud is covering the gap between the outer shroud and the gearbox. The steel shroud should be left loose to allow it to float across the floor, or it can be fixed at 3/8 of an inch or 6 millimeters above the ground, and then using the black bottom dust shroud, attach it around the gearbox. Dust collectors will vary in size, and you should consult your dealer or STI for correct machine recommendation.